All right, y'all, and I am back. Let me just do a quick review about this AUSSI Miracle Moist shampoo and the conditioner. This stuff I've been sleeping on for so long. This smells so amazing. The shampoo I was not disappointed on, and the conditioner I was not disappointed. This is a great combination together. If y'all have not already used this AUSSI Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner combo, what are y'all waiting for? Run down there, go get it. I'll have the link in my bio for this product. If y'all want to purchase this off my Amazon storefront, it'll be down in the bio below. All the details. But the shampoo I was surprised about because it gave me so much slip. You know, the lather was so amazing. The smell was just delicious. I would recommend this. I have no cons for this. This is really, really well. It works really good. My hair feels squeaky clean. It feels like I've loosened up all the dirt and debris and buildup that was on my hair strands. It just gave my hair a fresh start, I feel. It's so amazing. The conditioner gave me a lot of slip. It made my hair feel soft and moisturized, and it's just very nice to the touch. I'm just ready to style this hair and just do whatever I can do with it right now. So if you have not tried these two together, go down to my bio, pick y'all up a bottle or two or three, whatever you need. So now that I'm done with my wash routine, I'm just gonna go in with some of this Cantu leave-in conditioner, and we're just gonna let our curls pop and do what they're gonna do for the day. I have nowhere to go, so today's just gonna be a hair moisturizing day with no manipulation. How about that? To the conditioner, I will be adding some of my fave, the Blue Magic Indian Hemp Grease. So the conditioner and grease combo. And we're just gonna chill for today, y'all. This is the end of the video. Y'all go ahead and thumbs it up, share it, like it, and comment down in the comment section below. Ultimately, subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all again in my next one. Bye, y'all.